Hello students, now I am going to explain that is rational numbers. In our first video I explained introduction about this chapter. Now in this video I will start the exercise that is 9.1. In that first question, list 5 rational numbers between here first one -1 and 0, second one -2 and -1, third one -4 by 5 and -2 by 3, and fourth one -1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Okay, so let's start first one. Here first one -1 and 0 is there. Okay, so first write them in rational number form. Rational form means that is p by q. So that is -1 by 1 and 0 I will write as 0 by 1. Okay, so in between these two numbers, how many rational numbers we need? 5. So taking one extra, multiply these two rational numbers with 6 by 6. So -1 by 1 into 6 by 6 and 0 by 1 also multiplying with 6 by 6. So -1 into 6, it will be -6, 1 6 is 6, and here we will get 0 into 6 0, 1 into 6 6. Okay, so in between these two numbers -6 by 6, so I will go with the -5 by 6, -4 by 6, -3 by 6, -2 by 6, -1 by 6. After 1 what we will get? We will get here 0 by 6. So our required rational numbers are, here we got it. Those are -5 by 6, -4 by 6, -3 by 6, -2 by 6 and -1 by 6. So understood how to find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, now next solving the second one, -2 and -1. Again I will write in the rational number form, that is p by q. -2, if there is no number at the denominator, here we have to take 1. Okay, and here it is -1 by 1. Okay, how many we need? We need 5 rational numbers. So taking one extra, now I will multiply this -2 by 1 into 6 by 6. Similarly, -1 by 1 also multiplying with 6 by 6. So here we will get -2 into 6, it will be -12 by 6. Okay, if you divide it again, you will get 2 only. See here, 6 ones are 6 twos are, which 2? -2 will get back. And here -1 into 6, that is -6 by 6. Okay, now you can, using -12 by 6 and -6 by 6, we can write here the required rational numbers. -12 by 6 is there, go with the before number, -12 before, what you will get? -11 by 6. See, it is negative number, so I am going with reverse order. If it is positive, I will go with the forward numbers. Okay, -11, next -10, -9 by 6, -8 by 6, next -7 by 6, and again we will get here -6 by 6, which is our -1. See, 6 ones are 6 ones, again we will get -1. So our required rational numbers are here. Those are -11 by 6, -10 by 6, -9 by 6, -8 by 6 and -7 by 6. Same portion syllabus is repeated in the 9th class also. Okay, so if you understand here only, then for your 9th class it will be easy for you. Now third one, minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Okay, so here they only given the denominators, but they are different. Earlier we only took because they given integers, so we made them into p by q, but here already they are in p by q and different denominators are there. So here 5, here 3 is there. So making the denominator same, we have to take the LCM. 5 and 3 LCM will be 15. Then minus 4 by 5 I will multiply with 3 by 3. So here we will get minus 12. 4 3s are 12 divided by 5 3s are 15. And minus 2 by 3 is there. So to making the denominator 15, we have to multiply this with 5 by 5. Here we will get minus 10 by 15. Okay, but we need 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, so for this what we have to take? Again, how much we need? See, minus 12 by 15 minus 10 by 15 is there. So in between these we need how many? We need 5 rational numbers. So for this you can multiply both numbers by 6 by 6, or else you can make the half of that 3 by 3 also. Okay, so I will multiply this minus 12 by 15 into 6 by 6. Similarly here also minus 10 by 15 into 6 by 6. So 12 6 are how much? 72 by 15 6 are 90. And here minus into 6, it will be minus 60 divided by 15 6 are 90. Okay, so now you can write any 5 numbers in between them. Okay, so I will take here, it is minus 12. So start with here, sorry, minus 72. So I will take minus 71 by 90, minus 70 by 90, minus 16 by 90, minus 68 by 90, minus 67 by 90. So these are our required 5 rational numbers between 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. So if you cancel them by which multiplication you can do this one? So it will be 18 5s are 18 4s are. So here we will get minus 4 by 5. Here divide it by with same number, that is how much you have to multiply? 3 means 30. 33s are 32s are. So it will be minus 2 by 3. In between we will get here minus 71 by 90, minus 70 by 90, minus 69 by 90, minus 68 by 90, minus 67 by 90. So here you will get infinitely many rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, understood? So in PDF notes I given different answer. Here also we got another one answer. Okay, don't get confusion, both are right answers. The fourth one is for your practice. Now second one, write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. Okay, so here totally 4 they given, out of 4 I will solve 2. Here see, observe the pattern. 3 by 5 means 5 minus 3 by 5, minus 6 by 10, minus 9 by 15, minus 12 by 20. So in each numerator and denominator is multiplying with the increasing order. See, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 threes are, 3 fours are. Next 3 fives are, 6 are, like that we have to go. So here also 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are, 5 fours are. Okay, it means we have to take 5 5s. Okay, so just see here in the answer. So up to fourth term they multiplied. Now I will multiply with 5 1. So minus 3 into 5 it will be minus 15 by 25. So 5 5 is 25. Like that 3 by 5 into 6 by 6. So 6 3 is minus 18. 6 5 is 30. Again minus 3 by 5 into 7 by 7. So it will be 7 3 is 21, means which 21? Minus 21. 7 5 is 35. Next minus 3 by 5 into next increasing order, that is 8 by 8. So 8 3 is 24, minus 24, here minus 3 is there. So 8 5 is 40. Okay, so these are the 4 more rational numbers with the given pattern. The next one is also in the same pattern. They multiplying with increasing order. Here 1s, 2s, 3s. So you try yourself. Next multiplying with 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, like that. Next third one and fourth one. Here somewhat they are different. See here minus 1 is there, but next we are getting 2 by minus 12. Before it is minus 1 by 6, but next we are getting 2 by minus 12. Next 3 by minus 18. Next 4 by minus 24. Just observe here, minus 1 become 2. When we will get 2? When we multiplying this with minus 2 by 2. Okay, then minus into minus plus, and here 6 2s are 12. So they multiplied with here minus 2 by 2. Okay, so minus 2 into minus 1 we will get here 2, and 6 2s are 12, but here also they took minus. So minus into minus, sorry, plus into minus minus. So they multiplied with same number, that is minus 2 by minus 2. We got here 2 by 12. But after that they multiplied with 3 by 3. Okay, so 4 by 4. So like that it will goes. So which 4 by 4? Minus 4 by 4, minus 3 by 3, minus 2 by 2. Okay, so next also we have to multiply this with minus 5 by 5, minus 6 by 6, minus 7 by 7, minus 8 by 8. So how to calculate, I will show here. See, this is the required pattern. We have to multiply with increasing order, but it should be in negative. So minus 1 into minus 5 we will get here minus into minus plus. So 1 5 is 5 by 6 into 5 it will be 30. Which 30? Minus 30, because here minus 5 is there. Next 6 1s are 6, so it will be plus. So minus to minus plus, and 6 6 are 36. Here minus is there, so it will be minus 36. Next minus into minus 1 into minus 7, it will be 7, and divided by 6 7s are 42. So here minus is there, keep minus only. So next minus 1 into minus 8 we will get here 8 by 6 8s are 48. So it will be minus 48. So these 4 are our required answers. So fourth one, try yourself. Third question, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to minus 2 by 7, 5 by minus 3 and 4 by 9. So it is very simple, just you have to multiply numerator and denominator with same number. So then you will get equivalent rational number. So I will show here out of 3 1, and you do the second and third one. So for the first one, minus 2 by 7 is there. So here I will multiply this with 2 by 2. So here we will get minus 2 into 2, it will be 4. So which 4? Minus 4. Here minus is there, divided by 7 2s are 14. Again minus 2 by 7. So now multiply with 3 by 3. So here you will get minus 2 into 3, it will be minus 6. Next 7 3 is a 21. So again third one, so I will multiply with 4 by 4. 4 2 is a 8. Which 8? Minus 8 divided by 7 4 is a 28. Next minus 2 by 7 multiply with 5 by 5. Here we will get 5 2 is a 10. Which 10? Minus 10 divided by 5 7 5 is a 35. So like this you have to multiply numerator and denominator with same number. You will get the equivalent rational number. The fourth one, draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. Okay, so 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8 minus 7 by 4 and 7 by 8. For every question you have to draw the individual number line. Just you refer the PDF which I given in the description and draw yourself. Next question. Fifth one, the points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B on the number line are such that TR equal to RS equal to SU and AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Name the rational numbers represented by PQRS. Okay, so let's take one by one. First start with the positive numbers. See here 0, 1, 2. 2 is there and 3. On A, on 2 A is there, on 3 B is there. So 2 and 3 here they made 1, 2, 3, 3 parts. Then if I take here also 3 parts, 1, 2, 3 parts, then I will take it as 1 by 1 means it will be 3 by 3. Okay, so it is reflecting, so I will take it will be 3 by 3. Then increasing order it will be 4 by 3, 5 by 3. Next it will be 6 by 3. Next 7 by 3, 8 by 3 and it will be 9 by 3 which is 3. Okay, so now we got P is how much we got? P will be 7 by 3. Similarly Q is how much? 8 by 3. Okay, so what about on left side? So if it is minus 1, then I will take it as minus 3 by 3. Again we will get minus 1, so it will be minus 4 by 3, minus 5 by 3, next minus 6 by 3. So now I think you got the answers. T is what? That is minus 3 by 3. R is minus 4 by 3. S is minus 5 by 3. And U is minus 6 by 3. Okay, so you don't do in your textbook. Okay, you have to do this in your notes properly. Okay, so like this you don't write in the textbook. Just for your understanding I wrote here only. Okay, next. Sixth one, which of the following pairs represent the same rational number? Okay, so we have to compare these two rational numbers with making them to standard form. Okay, so out of 7 I will here do 4 problems and remaining for your practice. So first one, minus 7 by 21. So just you have to observe in which table both are there. Okay, by that number you have to divide them. So here I will get 7 ones are 7 3s are I got. So it is 1 by 3. Which 1 by 3? Minus 1 by 3. And see here 3 by 9. So I will divide it by 3 ones are 3 3s are. But here I am getting minus 1 by 3, but here I am getting 1 by 3. So which is not equal. So minus 7 by 3 is not equal to 3 by 9. Okay, so like this you have to check which are having same rational numbers. Next one, 16 20. Okay, so in which table I will get? So we will get here 4 4 za 4 5 za, and here 4 5 za, but here we will not get, but both are there in 5 table. So 5 4 za 5 5 za. Here minus is there, so we can write it as minus 4 by 5, and here also minus is there, so we can write it as minus 4 by 5. So therefore minus 16 by 20 is equal to 20 by minus 25. So here these two are equal. Next, minus 2 by minus 3. Okay, so these minus will get cancelled. What we got? 2 by 3. Here also 2 by 3. That's why you can say that minus 2 by minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Both are same rational numbers. Now coming to the fourth one, minus 3 by 5. Okay, so it is already in standard form. Okay, we can't divide it, but here minus 12 by 20, so we can divide it by 4. 4 3 za 4 5 za. So here again we got 3 by 5, here also 3 by 5. So both having negative sign, that's why both are equal. So minus 3 by 5 is equal to minus 12 by 20. Okay, so like this you have to solve the other three. Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. So this is also very easy, just you observe them and in which table both are there. So here 8, here 6, so both in the 2 table, so I'll divide it by 2 4 za 2 3 za. So simplest form will be minus 4 by 3. Okay, so you directly do it in your notes, not in textbook. So here 25 by 45. So in 5 table, 5 5 za 5 9 za, so it will be 5 by 9. Next, minus 44 by 72. So in which table we will get these two? 4 table, 4 1 za 4 1 za. So here 4 yes 4 11 za 4 1 za 4, 3 is remaining 32, that is 8 za. So it will be minus 11 by 18. Next, minus 8 by 10. So 2 4 za 2 5 za. So here we will get minus 4 by 5. Okay, now 8th problem. Filling the boxes with the correct symbol out of, greater than, smaller than and equal. See here, first one, minus 5 by 7, box 2 by 3. See, minus numbers always smaller than the positive numbers, means negative numbers are smaller than the positive. So here we will get smaller than 2 by 3. So minus 5 by 7 is smaller than 2 by 3. Okay, now second one, here both are in negative and denominator also different. What we have to do? So first we have to make the denominator equal, and afterwards we have to solve this one. Okay, so let's do this one, second one. So here 5 and 7, so LCM will be 35. So 5 7s are 7 5s are. So here 4 by 5 is there, multiply that 7 by 7, and here minus 5 by 7 is there, so multiply this with 5 by 5. So by this we will get denominator will be equal. So 4 7s are minus 28 by 5 7s are 35. Next 5 5s are minus 25 divided by 7 5s are 35. Okay, so in negative form, so both here we got negative numbers. In negative number, the smaller number is always greater. Okay, so here minus 25 by 35 is greater than minus 28 by 35. So I'll rewrite this one, but 4 by 5 is smaller than minus 5 by 7. So this is our answer. Third one, minus 7 by 8, 14 by 16. See here, you can make it into simple form. 2 sevens are 2 eights. Again we got 7 by 8. Here also 7 by 8. Here also negative, here also negative. Then these are equal. Okay, so these two are equal rational numbers. Fourth one and fifth one are homework. And sixth one, here also 5 by 11 minus 5 by 11. So both are equal. Next here 0 and minus 7 by 6. So if it is a negative, it is always smaller than 0. So I'll use here greater sign, that is 0 is greater than minus 7 by 6. So fourth and fifth for your practice. The ninth question, which is greater in each of the following? Okay, so again here we have to go with the LCM method to make the denominator same. Okay, so first, second, third, there will be denominators are different, then we have to go with the making denominator same using the LCM. And fourth one, here minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is there. So here positive number is always great compared to the negative number, which are same values. Okay, so minus 1 by 4 is smaller, 1 by 4 is greater. Now here fifth one, they given mixed fraction. First make them into improper fractions, afterwards make the denominator same and proceed for the greater. Okay, so here first one, fifth one I will do, second and third for your practice. So first one, 2 by 3, 5 by 2. So LCM will be 3 and 2, LCM will be 6. So 3 how much are? 3 2s are. So here we have to multiply this 2 by 2, and here we have to multiply with 3 by 3. So 2 3s are 6 divided by 3 2s are, sorry, 2 2s are, it will be 4, and 3 2s are 6. Here 5 3s are 15 and 2 3s are 6. So which is greater? 15 by 6 is greater. So that is, you can write in the general form, that is 2 by 3 is smaller than 5 by 2. Okay, so 5 by 2 is greater. 5 by 2 is greater. Fifth one, they given in mixed fraction, so make them into improper. 7 3 is a 21, 21 plus 2, it will be 23 by 7 minus 23 by 7. Here 5 3 is a 15, 15 plus 4, it will be 19 minus 19 by 5. So LCM of 5 and 7, so that will be how much? 35. Okay, so here multiply this with 5 by 5, and here also multiply this with 7 by 7 to make the denominator same. So 5 into 23, how much you will get here? So it will be 115 by 35, and here 7 into 19, how much we will get here? So that will be 133. 133 by 7 5s are 35. So just ignore the negative. Which is greater number? That is 133. But if we use the negative, then which will be the greater? The smaller one will be the greater, that is minus 3 integer 2 by 7 is greater, greater. Okay, so like this you have to do for the second and third one. The 10th one, write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger one. Okay, so here first one, again we have to check the denominators. So here denominators are same. Now going to the numerator. So numerators are in negative. So in negative means which having the bigger, that will be the smaller number. So minus 3 is very small. After that minus 2. After that minus 1. So here already they are in increasing order. So no need of changing here. So just keep them same. So already they are in ascending order. Now coming to the second one, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 9, minus 4 by 3 is there. So here denominators are different, only two denominators are same, but here 9 is there. So making the denominator same, take the LCM of 3, 9, 3. So what is the LCM? It will be 9. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 9 1s are 9. Okay, so multiply minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 3 and minus 4 by 3 also into 3 by 3. So here we will get 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So it is minus 3 by 9. Next here minus 2 by 9. 2 1s are 2, 9 1s are 9. So next 4 3s are 12, minus 12 by 3 3s are 9. So which is smaller number here? They are in negative. So in negative, so here he will get minus 12 by 9 is very small number, that is minus 12 by 9. Next greater number, that is minus 3 by 9. Next greater number, that is minus 2 by 9. So in original form you write them, it will be minus 4 by 3, next minus 1 by 3, after that minus 2 by 9. So this is the ascending order of the required answer. Minus 4 by 3, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 9. Third one, see, observe carefully given rational numbers having same numerator. So if they are having same numerator, then smaller number will be smaller when they are in the negative. Okay, so here denominator is smaller. Which denominator is smaller? Then it will be the smaller number. So you can write it as minus 3 by 2 is smaller than minus 3 by 4, and which is smaller than minus 3 by 7. Okay, so this is the required format of the ascending order, that is minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 7. Okay, so once again go through the exercise from first question to last question and try to do yourself using the reference which I given PDF notes in description box. Thank you.